Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Diffusion. Today we will discuss some technical discussion like some short tricks and some information which will help you when you are starting some work in technology field and some other information or technical hacks which will help you in future. So let's start one by one. And before start, I have recommended to you please subscribe my channel to for more update or like more hacks on related same technology. So first of all, my first technology hacks is related to like when we are sending a mail and we forget to send a mail like yesterday, but as you need to send the mail is yesterday and it's urgency, but you did not send a mail. So what you need to do, like it's like a today and it's already one day late, but like you are said like your boss or manager like sir I can't send a mail because of this reason and this reason. But if you want to send a mail today which is mail or yesterday, so for that what you need to do, like simple, it's a very simple hack you need to do, like just change your system date. And everyone knows how to change a system date, like just click on that date and just click on that change, like there are some information like change date and time. So simple way, it's like a very simple way. When you are clicking on that your change date and like setting and like whatever you want to do, like in that way you like change your date. And after then changing the date, when you are sending a mail, then it will receive a mail at the end a person which is a yesterday's date. So it's a like a very useful hack. Try at your end and comment on that part. And my second hack is like that, like everyone uses Excel, Microsoft Excel, yes. So like when we are starting about the Excel, then like when our the Excel size is increases like 5 GB 10 GB, then it's like maintaining that Excel is a very tough. So for that, like I am providing you a one of the hack to save that Excel file. So it's like for the saving that Excel file. So what you need to do, like whenever we are saving our Excel file, then what we are doing, we are save our file like .xls. But for that, you need to just your save the file xlsb .xlsb. When you are saving this file this way, your Excel file, then it will automatically increase the size, decrease the size, which is almost 50 to 75%. So it's a very useful hack, right? So like now I'm going to the next information. Like whenever we are downloading the PDF from the one of the site, like when you are downloading the one of the PDF from the one of the site, and it's like showing you .exe, then immediately delete that file, just because of that file is a virus. Okay friends, so like right now, like I have a fourth number of information and which is very very useful information for you. Like what you need to do, like we have created so many accounts and the very very like sites like gigs for gigs and everywhere we are creating our account. So like for that account we even we sometimes we forget where we created the accounts or not. Like this way what you need to do, like you forget this account detail. So if you want to delete that account which is you don't know about that, so just click on a Chrome or a browser which is you have, just type accountkiller.com and press whatever your account you want to delete. It is a very useful hack for you. And like now I'm introducing the fifth number of hack. What is the fifth number of hack? Like whenever you are like opening a browser a play on a video, then like we are getting like some of the error like Adobe Flash Player missing. So like this way, like we need to install the Adobe Flash Player and many more information like which is we can't do that time. It's like very urgency for you us. So that time it's a very simple hack for you. Just click on that video, right click, and just choose the HTML5 player. Once you choose that video with HTML5 player, then it will automatically open that video with the HTML5 and it will play very fast compared to your present video which is with the Adobe Flash Player. So like this is the 5 hacks today I introduced. For many more hacks and information, please subscribe my channel and comment. If you are facing any issue related same thing, comment on that video. So I will give you the total information how you can do that same thing. Thank you friends.